Chapter 8. Solutions for a Sustainable Future. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation offer unprecedented opportunities for technological progress, but also present challenges that require concrete actions to prevent extreme inequalities and social crises. To shape a sustainable future, it is essential to adopt inclusive public policies, invest in education and reskilling, promote business models that balance automation and human employment, public policies for a fair future. Universal Basic Income, UBI. UBI is a policy that guarantees a minimum income for all citizens, regardless of their employment status. This could be crucial in a future where automation eliminates millions of jobs. Benefits: reduces extreme poverty and financial insecurity, provides a safety net for workers in transition, stimulates consumption, boosting local economies. Examples: in 2020, a pilot project in Finland provided UBI to unemployed individuals, leading to greater psychological well-being and motivation to find work. Studies in emerging economies like Kenya show that UBI improves living conditions and promotes entrepreneurship. Automation taxes. To redistribute the benefits of automation, governments could introduce taxes on companies that replace human workers with machines. How it works. Taxing additional profits generated by automation. Redirecting funds to social programs and reskilling initiatives. Impact: reduces incentives for mass layoffs, creates funding for worker support programs, large-scale workforce reskilling. As automation transforms job markets, reskilling workers is essential to ensure they can take on new roles. Reskilling programs, accessible training in high-demand areas such as IT, clean energy, and healthcare. Government subsidies for companies that invest in internal workforce training. Example: in Germany, the government collaborates with businesses to offer reskilling programs as part of its Industry 4.0 strategy. The role of education in preparing for the future of work. Education is the foundation for preparing the workforce for the challenges and opportunities of automation. Curriculum reform: schools must adapt to market demands, introducing new subjects and skills. Technical skills: programming, data analysis, machine learning, social and creative skills, critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration, areas where humans still have an advantage over machines. Digital education: teaching children and adults how to use and understand emerging technologies. Lifelong learning: investing in programs that encourage continuous learning, allowing workers to update their skills throughout their careers. Partnerships between governments, businesses, and universities to create accessible learning platforms. Example: Singapore. Singapore launched the Skills Future program, which offers credits for citizens of all ages to take courses tailored to job market needs. Business models that balance automation and human jobs. Companies can adopt strategies that maximize the benefits of automation without abandoning their commitment to the human workforce. Innovative business models. Collaborative automation, using robots to complement, not replace, human workers. Example: Universal Robots develops cobots, collaborative robots that work alongside humans in production lines. Job retention focus, prioritizing internal job relocation for workers whose roles have been automated. Example: AT&T invests in internal training to prepare employees for technological roles. Companies demonstrating balance. Siemens implements smart factories but ensures workers are trained to operate the new systems. Starbucks uses technology to improve efficiency while maintaining human baristas to preserve customer interaction. Unilever uses AI to optimize processes but reinvests part of the profits in sustainability and social projects. Benefits of balance: increased consumer trust and employee loyalty. Reduce the negative impact of automation on local communities. Conclusion: a sustainable future in the age of automation requires a multifaceted approach that balances technological innovation with social equity. Public policies must ensure financial security and promote workforce reskilling. Education must prepare people for an evolving job market, emphasizing both technical and social skills. Businesses should adopt inclusive and socially responsible models, balancing automation with human employment. By aligning technological progress with social sustainability, we can build a future where AI and automation benefit everyone, reducing inequalities and fostering a fair and resilient society. The key is to act now before disparities deepen.